Hey everyone, this is Michelle Calloway, Managing Broker of Exit Realty Quality Solutions. I know we told you that we were going to have some exciting training happening for you all, and here it is. We're ready to start. The first one that I want to tell you about is on February 10th, and is with Credilife at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And our second one is on February 17th with Exit Realty Quality Solutions, our customer care team, at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Right now, I want Jared to tell you a little bit about the February 10th class.
Great. Thank you, Michelle. Yes, we are so excited. So on February 10th at 8 p.m. Eastern, we're going to be hosting a virtual event so anyone can attend. It's like a webinar. It's going to be the Mortgage Readiness Workshop. And what we're going to go over is all the different things that you want to know about in advance. So that way, when the time comes for you to apply for the mortgage, you know you're going to be approved, you're going to get the best rates, and you're going to have more buying power. Can't wait to see you there. Next, we got Tori. She's going to talk about their home buying event on the 17th.
Hi, guys. Yes, it is me, Tori Nunley, excited to introduce you to the February 17th event hosted by Exit Realty Quality Solution. Now, this is where we're going to bring all the pieces together, giving you in-depth information on how this home buying process works, understanding the agency relationship, understanding how the insurance work. And guys, we understand this market. So get ready. We're going to talk about lease to own. So we are excited. I'm going to give this back to Michelle Calloway. See you on February the 17th.
We are so excited about these two upcoming sessions. All you have to do is click on the link below to register for these free, and yes, I said it, free workshops just for you. See you soon.